If you're somebody who overthinks या फिर who feel lost sometimes या फिर आप just life को थोड़ा और better तरीके से समझना चाहते हो, then this video is definitely for you. Hello everyone, this is me Vidhi. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. So today's video is yet another interesting video because I only make interesting videos. What are you talking about? Anyways, coming back to the point, as you can read by the title, this video is about books, and let me give you a very clear disclaimer. I am not a book person at all. I am more of a movie person. अगर कोई movie किसी book पर based है, मैं वो देख लूँगी, लेकिन मैं book नहीं पढ़ूँगी. That's how big of a movie fan I am. And books हमेशा से was like a thing जो मुझे इतना ज़्यादा अपनी तरफ attract नहीं करता था. But my sister on the other hand is a huge book lover. She's obsessed with reading books. उनके कबर्ड में piles and piles of books है जो वो बचपन से पढ़ती आ रही है, and वो नई नई बुक्स ऑर्डर करती रहती हैं और उसको पढ़ती है या फिर वो ऑनलाइन पढ़ती है. So she is obsessed with books, and in the past year, I think in 2025, I started reading some books that she recommended to me, and I was like, where were you? Like, where were you? जैसे ही उनको पढ़ना शुरू करा, I don't know, I got so addicted to them, and I just started reading them, and बहुत सारी बुक्स ऐसी है जिनको मैंने सिर्फ एक गो में पढ़ लिया. The books that I'm going to tell you today, these are not just good reads, these are the books जो आपको थोड़ा pause करके सोचने पर मजबूर कर देती हैं. Number 1, a bit of an ASMR for you. So, coming back to this book, 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak. This book, आपको बुक से देख के लग रहा होगा कि ये प्यार पर है. Definitely ये प्यार पर है. But this book is not just about love between two people. It is about love with the divine. It is about self-love. It is about having a spiritual connection. So basically, this book follows two parallel stories. One story in the present and one in the past. जो present की story है वो है रूमी की story, और जो past की story है वो है शम्स ऑफ तब्रीज की story. But you know what really stayed with me in this book were the 40 rules. Like literally, they were very simple lines yet so powerful. And you know, when I think about it, I think this book really made me realize that love is not something that you look for outside. It is something that you first build within yourself. So this book really teaches you to be more open, more accepting, and also trust the journey of life. It is very calm, very reflective. After reading it, you will feel a little bit more at peace. At least that's what I felt after reading this book. Okay, so book number 2 is this cute little book called Tuesdays with Morrie, written by Mitch Albom. This book will make you emotional. It is based on real life conversations between a student and his professor who is dying, unfortunately. So what they do is they meet every Tuesday and they talk about life. इस book में बहुत सारे topics को लेकर बात की गई है, जैसे love, regret, family and death. Another thing that I really love about this book is how simple yet deep these lessons are. And you know, when you'll finish this book, you'll be left with one thought in your mind, and that is that sometimes we get so busy in chasing success and material achievements that we forget to actually live. And I know कि हमने बहुत बारी सुना हुआ है, बहुत लोग ये बोलते हैं, हमने बहुत बारी ये सुना भी हुआ है, पढ़ा भी हुआ है. But I think as humans we need constant reminders so that we don't get haywire and don't get lost into the rat race. So this book is a really great reminder for that, I believe. If you want a book that feels like a warm and emotional conversation, then this is it. This book is it. And finally, last but not at all least, this book is called Everything I Know About Love by Dolly Alderton. ये book मैंने online पढ़ी थी on my Kindle. I will show you the cover page of this book right here. This book is basically feel like you're talking to a best friend. It's messy, definitely. It's funny, chaotic, but at the same time very real. It talks about growing up, it talks about friendships, heartbreaks, self-discovery. And what I love the most about this book is how honest it is. It shows you that it's okay to not have everything figured out in your 20s. It's okay to feel lost sometimes, and it's okay to make mistakes. One of the biggest takeaways for me after reading this book was A, romantic love is not everything, and B, friendships can be just as powerful if not more. Also, this book is very Gen Z, very relatable, and you'll definitely find some parts of yourself in it. So yeah, these are the 3 things that literally and genuinely changed my thought process, my perspective, and also my life in general. So if you're trying to just understand yourself a little better, or if you're trying to feel a little less lost, or if you're trying to just grow as a person, then please give these 3 books a chance. And also, if you've already read any of these books, then please let me know in the comments which one impacted you the most. Also, please recommend me more new books. I can't believe I'm saying this, being a movie lover, but now yes, I'm really into reading books. So please let me know if you have some good reads for me. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.